Everyone. So today I'm just going to show you the steganography tools available in Kali Linux. There's two ways to hide information inside files. So before I start, you would have to install these tools. So you would have to write sudo apt install Steghide. You have to write your password, and I already have it installed. And the second tool is going to be sudo apt install Stegosuite. Tool I'm going to be showing you is the Stegosuite. This is the most user-friendly. It involves a graphical user interface. So write Stegosuite GUI, and this would pop up. So right here, I have some pictures. So I'm just going to be using pictures to hide information. You could obviously use video, audio, but for simplicity, I'm just going to use pictures. So let's use this ice cream picture and just drag and drop it. So as you can see, you have the enter secret message. Let's say I want to write password. Let's just say password 12345 and write the password. So this password is going to be used. It's, as you can see, secret key used for hiding and encrypting the content. So this is the key that you would use to extract the hidden um, information inside this picture. So I'm gonna write the password as pass, and I'm just gonna click on embed. And as you can see right here, this is the embedded um, ice cream picture. So if I want to extract, say I know there's information inside this picture and I want to extract it and I have the password, I would go again, write Stegosuite GUI, and again, drag and drop. You would not write the secret message. You want to extract it. So you would just write the password. And our password was pass. And just click on extract. And there, as you can see, hidden information. Okay. All right. So that was the first tool. That was the easiest one because you did not have to write any complicated command lines. So it's fairly easy to do. Okay, so for the second tool, you would, before I even start, I want to show you this. So this is going to be all of the options or the arguments that can be used with for the Steghide tool. So you can specify um, such as a certain encryption algorithm, or if you don't want to compress the hidden information, you can just read through this. So we have the embedding options, we have the extracting options, and just other options. And right here is just going to show you how to do simple embedding and extracting. So as you can see here, we have Steghide embed. This is just the command line, just the way to do it. So let's do that. So first we're gonna write Steghide CF. CF is just gonna be the picture that we're gonna be using to hide the hidden or embed the hidden information. So that picture is gonna be this one, the ice cream dot JPG. And then EF is going to be the embedded file, and the embedded file we're going to be using is the secret text file. So you just do that. Oh, sorry, I did not write embed. And it's just going to ask for a passphrase. So we're just going to write pass. And it says embedding secret in ice cream. So, and done. So we did that. Now to extract it, let's move this to the trash, or we could just like rename it. Say- So to extract it, we're just gonna use Steghide again and extract SF, and it's just gonna be the ice cream picture. So pass. As you can see, it extracted the hidden information secret, and that's it. That's how you use the Steghide and Stegosuite tools.